Welcome to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Have you ever wanted to make your own silver jewelry, from scratch, right at home? If you're curious about silver clay, make sure to hit subscribe because we have lots more beginner-friendly tutorials coming your way. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a soft little lump of clay into real, 99.9% pure silver jewelry. No soldering, no fancy tools, just your hands, a bit of heat, and a lot of fun. Now, let's take a closer look at how silver clay works, from shaping to firing. Today I want to introduce you to a magical and joyful material, silver clay. It's a soft, moldable blend of ultrafine silver particles, water, and a natural binder. It feels just like regular clay, but once it's fired, it becomes real silver you can wear, gift, or even sell. There are a few different types of silver clay. Lump clay for sculpting. Paste type for fine details and joining parts. And even silver clay paper for delicate, origami-style designs. Each one opens up unique creative possibilities, and the best part? You don't need any experience to start. Here's how it works. First, shape your design by hand or with simple tools. Next, let it dry completely, either by air drying or speeding things up with a hairdryer, mug warmer, or toaster oven. Once it's fully dry, it's time for the most magical step, firing. You can use a gas stove, a handheld torch, or a kiln. The heat burns away the binder and leaves behind solid silver. But before you start, a quick safety reminder. If you're using a torch or stove, always work in a well-ventilated area. Keep flammable items away. And use fireproof surfaces and tools. Safety first. After firing, your piece will look white and chalky. Don't worry, that's just oxidation. Use a wire brush to clean it, and the silver will start to shine through. For extra sparkle, polish it with a burnisher. If you have leftover clay, just wrap it well in plastic wrap, and keep it in an airtight bag so it doesn't dry out. Silver clay is such a joyful material. It lets you turn something soft and simple into something precious and personal. And every step is calming, creative, and deeply satisfying. So why not give it a try? If you enjoyed this intro, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And leave a comment to let us know what kind of jewelry you'd love to make or see next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting! See you next time.